So in the previous video, I fixed the hot water side that was leaking. And then today my wife says the washer is leaking. But luckily it's the cold water side this time. So I can see the water here and you can see a drip right there. So I was curious, where exactly is it coming from on the cold water side? So I just took a napkin, paper towel, put it under there. I noticed the drip was sort of in the middle. And then that's when I noticed, oh, it's leaking right there on that middle valve between the metal and the plastic. That's where it's leaking at. There you go. So I'm going to order that part and replace it. I numbered these from 1, 2, and 3 just to remind myself where to put it back when I disconnect everything. But since everything is so close together and taped off, and it pretty much will go back exactly where they're meant to go back, but I just did that as an extra precaution. So I'm just going to disconnect everything, get those hoses off. So here's everything after I have the part removed, and got the cable sitting in the towel just in case they're leaking still. And now I'll go search for the part. If anybody's wondering, I found the model number inside here, right there. You can see it, WM2240CW. And here's the part once it's removed. I'm just kind of examining it, and then I'll search online for this part and get it done. So the part arrived. Here we go. It looks like it matches. Everything looks good. Kind of looks the same from here. Just pay attention to these screw holes. Looks fine. I have everything installed, connected back. Now I just need to test it to see if it still doesn't leak. So I'll plug it in. Get everything started. I use the tap water, so it'll just be the code. Start it up. So now I don't see anything leaking. So far, so good. I'm filling the hoses. I can feel the water coming through. Now I'll look at this napkin. I don't see anything leaking. So I think everything is good. Put the top back on and call it a day. Easy way to save some money.